Okay, now we're gonna do some test flight with Power Up 3 in a gymnasium. Take a look.
כן.
Works. Stop the.
I
Yeah.
stopped.
Okay. Well, that works quite well. We're gonna try to avoid crashing into obstacles.
תעשה זומים יותר גדולים.
Okay, so that was. It's possible to fly in a gymnasium. The radius is quite. The airplane flies quite fast, and the gymnasium is not always big enough. So as you've seen, I got a kind of dizzy feeling. You could try figure 8 in terms of maneuvering. I'm not going to try it now. We're just doing some testing of duration, for example. So this is our primary goal currently. Stay tuned for more.